from another is tantamount to evil. From the moment we are born, we practice this art, perfecting the sin we've inherited. That's what life is, a continuous series of compounding sin. Is life itself that draws us into the darkness. I have accepted my fate. I know that I am evil.
Is this Jay?
I wanna be the best that I wanna be, lakini siyo simple. Wanna say mama best, I go never reach, lakini siyo evil.